To convert HEIC images to JPEG images is quite easy and simple. Whether you are on Windows or Mac, the process is the same. So here you can see I have three HEIC images. So to convert those to JPEG, just open up any browser. In my case, I will open up the Chrome browser. And once you are inside here, you need to go to this link. I will paste this link in the description as well. It is iloveconverting.com/imagetools/convert HEIC to JPEG. So once you are here, just go and click on here. You can upload unlimited images and there is no file size limit. Click on here. I will select all the images. Click on open. Wait for a while. It's all converted now. It's literally in seconds. You can always add more files and clear any if you want to. And once you are here, you can download them individually, or you can download all the files that are converted. If I go to downloads, click on converted.zip. So you can see it unzips this images. And here you can see all the JPEG images are here. So it is quite literally easy and simple to convert HEIC to JPEG with this tool. One of the best one, there is no limit. It's 100% private. And you can also bookmark it if you want to. So hopefully by doing so, you'll be able to convert HEIC to JPEG. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.